Good morning, dear students. Today the topic is Mahatma Gandhi and National Movement. Mahatma Gandhi and National Movement. As you know that Gandhian era was started from 1919 to 1948. So the period from 1919 to 1948 was known as Gandhian era. What was Gandhian era? Why this period was known as the Gandhian era? Actually, during that time, the Indian National Congress and the Indian National Movement both are controlled and both are continue going on under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. First of all, short introduction about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the full name of Mahatma Gandhi Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October in 1869. 2nd October 1869. Porbandar, Kathiawar, agency of the British India. Died in January 30, 1948 at the complete age of 78 years. Doctrine, especially Satyagrah, non-violence, mass movement, and the Swadeshi was the doctrine of the Mahatma Gandhi. First of all, we will discuss about that which type of important events leading under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and which type of changes into the Congress attitudes, into the methods, into their strategy by Mahatma Gandhi. As you know also, from 1893 to 1914, Gandhiji practiced law in South Africa. From 1893 to 1814, Gandhiji practiced completely the law in South Africa. But in 1914, he returned after the complete the education of the law, again returned in India. And see the situation of the Indians. See the situation of the Indian, and they started the new direction and new strategy against the British government. First of all, we will discuss about that Mahatma Gandhi's methods. Which type of methods used by Mahatma Gandhi? First of all, Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi believed into the Satyagraha. As you know, Satyagraha. Satyagraha, the meaning of the Satyagraha, it is a Sanskrit word for truth. Sanskrit word Satya is a Sanskrit word for truth, and Agra means great enthusiasm and interest or the soul force. Understand? Satya means truth. It is a Sanskrit word. Agra means great enthusiasm and interest or the soul force. The two words combined may rendered as the firmness of the truth or sticking unto truth. I hope that exact clear. Satya and Agra. It is the two words. Satyagraha is the methods of Mahatma Gandhi against the British. Gandhiji basic idea on Satyagraha. Gandhiji basic ideas depend on Satyagraha, and it was evolved from the study of the words Tolstoy and Hindu spirituals. Fasting, non-cooperation. Fasting, non-cooperation, civil disobedience movements of state law were an extreme form of Satyagraha. So, under this methods, Mahatma Gandhi make himself and also prepare the mass for always use the policy of Satyagraha. सत्य पर अडिग रहकर ही हम अपने देश को आजाद करा सकते हैं. Second method, through this policy, First of all, we want to discuss about that through this method, Gandhiji achieved the fame and name under the Champaran Satyagraha, under the Ahmedabad Satyagraha, under the Kheda Satyagraha, and also for the Rowlatt Act. Champaran Satyagraha, it was happened in 1917 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. What was Champaran Satyagraha? Actually, the Champaran Satyagraha greatly, the indigo cultivator of Champaran were exploited. Who? The indigo नील की खेती जो करते थे, indigo cultivator of Champaran were greatly forced by the British and exploited by the European traders. So, why? They were bound by law to grow indigo on 3/20 of their land and sell it to the British planters at prices fixed by them. Means the price of indigo fixed by the British government. So the indigo cultivators always fight for justice, and they never brought their right, and also never brought the right price of their crops. Mahatma Gandhi fight this injustice work those are going on through the British government, and fought for justice for the cultivator and forced the government to pass an act for the welfare of the indigo planters. It was success. The first movement, you can say that the first movement used by Satyagraha, method used by the Satyagraha, it was success. Gandhiji achieved the name and fame. Second, Ahmedabad Satyagraha. Ahmedabad, this type of Satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi. Actually, Gandhiji led the mill worker of Ahmedabad in a strike against the mill owners who had refused to pay them higher wage. When the workers seemed to weaken, he provided support to them by undertaking a fast. And mill owners agreed on the fourth day of Gandhi's fast to give a big increase in their wage. Means Ahmedabad mill workers also exploited by the British policy. Their wage is very low and work is very hard. Mahatma Gandhi started to use the method of Satyagraha and give a new direction to the mill workers for fight against the justice. And finally, the British government increased the wage of mill worker. So it was also success under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It was happened in 1918 to 1919. Means both movement started by leadership for the Mahatma Gandhi, and both are success. Again, Kheda Satyagraha. It was also an incident. Kheda. Why was Kheda Satyagraha known? It was happened in 1918. Crops failed in Kheda. Means crops is failed, but the planter and the farmers are not in the situation that they pay the tax. But the British government always forced to the plant